Today, Just a Change is here at Centro Social Paroquial de São João de Brito with tb.lx, helping giving a new look to the institution. Centro Social Paroquial de São João de Brito offers to the community service of day center, kindergarten, nursery, and it helps around 450 people every day.
And I think it's an amazing idea of Just a Change. It's a really fun thing to do, like other than our computer work. So feels like actually purposeful. And yeah, I'm having fun. We covered everything that was still in the rooms in terms of furniture, tables. We took off what was still on the walls. Yeah, and then we just got started. We started painting. The first layer was before lunch. Now we came back for the second layer. Everybody's involved with doing something. Everybody's really busy. It's really cool.
Now I think it's time for us to give back. And if we have 100 people willing to help kids or elderly people to have a better afternoon or a better morning because now they have a better space, I think that's just great.
It's a very interesting day, you know, giving something to the community and helping others like to feel more comfortable and feel more integrated. So yeah, definitely a very good day.